Friends, today we are going to discuss the main topic of this lesson, that is operation on matrices. We know in algebra there are four operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. We also discuss these four operations in matrices. First is addition of matrices. The definition of subtraction is also same. That's why we taking simultaneously addition or difference of matrices. First of all, to apply addition or to apply difference, we required two elements. Here, two matrices. So let me taking two matrices, and we know if they have same order, then addition is possible, then difference is possible. Remember, that's why the first condition is if A and B have to be same order. Remember, underline here, same order, then they are compatible for addition or difference. Compatible mean define properly or possible operation. Okay, so which possible operation here? That is addition or subtraction if they have to be same order. Keep in mind. Okay, mathematically I write a plus b or a minus b equal to a mean element, the matrix Aij order m by n, B mean Bij order m by n. We write plus or minus whatever the required operation. Okay, so plus or minus, the finally element will be Aij plus or minus Bij. We adding corresponding element and the order is m by n. The obtained element is Cij order m by n and the matrix is C. So this definition says us that to taking addition or difference of matrices, you have to add or subtract corresponding element. Now this word is little difficult to understand. What is the meaning of corresponding? So let's take one example, and to clear the definition properly, one example is here, matrix A. This matrix having order 2 by 2, matrix B order 2 by 2. Find A plus B, A minus B. So let me write the solution here. Solution is A plus B equal to matrix A plus matrix B. Now how to find addition? Simple. Corresponding element. What is the position of this element? 1 1. What is the position of this element in matrix? Is also 1 1. So 1 1 and 1 1, they are corresponding elements. So we add them, 2 plus 1. Okay. Next, this is 1 2 element. This is also 1 2 element in this matrix. So they are corresponding, we adding them, 4 plus 3. 3 minus 2, this is 2 1 element, this is 2 1 element, they are also corresponding because both having same position. So we adding them, but this is minus, so we write here 3 minus 2. This is 2 and this is 5. Okay, position of this 2 is 2 2, position of this 5 is also 2 2. So they are corresponding. We adding them, 2 plus 5. Finally answer, 2 plus 1 3, 4 plus 3 7, 3 minus 2 1, 2 plus 5 7. So this is the answer, and this is called the addition of two matrices. Simple. Similar way, difference. Instead of addition, we write difference. Then we get the difference element. And we get finally the difference matrices. Okay. So A minus B, matrix A, matrix B, put minus sign between them. So instead of addition we write difference. Plus write minus here because we required difference. Here minus 2. Here minus. So finally answer is 2 minus 1, 4 minus 3, 1, 3 minus 2, that's why 5, because minus plus 2. Okay, finally here 2 minus 5 is minus 3. So little clear, not more. Let's for more example. I write here. I have to give you in exam in homework. That's why I do not write answer. Just discuss. Okay, let's friend. AB minus BA, AB, BA plus compute plus mean compute addition. Okay, so what is answer? A plus A, 2A, B plus B, 2B, minus B plus B, 0, A plus A, 2A. Write and add corresponding element. First 1 position, 1 position, 2 position, 1 2 position, 1 2 position, 2 position, 2 position, 2 position, 2 position. So according to position we choose and we add them. This means this is called corresponding addition. Addition of corresponding element. Okay, so we get 2A, then 2B, then minus B plus B will be 0. A plus A will be 2A. So this is the answer of first example. Next example. Okay, A square plus B square, B square plus C square, A square plus C square, A square plus B square, 2AB, 2BC, minus 2AC, minus 2AB. So this is like factorization. I remember. Okay, so let A square plus B square plus 2AB, A square plus B square plus 2AB. Okay, this is factorization and this fact having perfect square. Yes, A square plus B square plus 2AB mean A plus B whole square. Correct. B square plus C square plus 2AB same, but this is B plus C whole square. Yes. A square plus C square minus 2AB addition because we are adding corresponding, and this is minus, so A square plus B square minus 2AC. So the middle sign will be minus. Yes, and A square plus B square minus 2AB we get A minus B whole square, and this is the answer of second example. Okay, so very simple. Addition of matrices or difference of matrices. Now we have to calculate third. This is very simple. See, 3 by 3, so 9 element. This is also 3 by 3, 9 element. Same. Choose the corresponding element and add them. Minus 1, 12, 11, 4 plus 7, 11, minus 6 plus 6, 0. 8 plus 8, 16, 5 plus 0, 5, 16 plus 5, 21, 10 2 plus 3, 5, 8 plus 2, 10, 5 plus 4, 9. Your answer. Here, fourth example, cos square plus sin square. Tell me, 1. Sin square plus cos square, 1. Sin square plus cos square, 1. Cos square plus sin square, 1. So are you getting all 4? Okay. So this is the illustration 6. Also you have to write. So you have to write all examples 2 times and this theory part 10 times. Thank you very much.